Alright, so it's the next morning after we pick these up, and this one's closest to the tailgate, so we're gonna work on this one first, see if we can get it started and what it'll do. The old Poulan Pro. Okay, well, if I sound winded, it's because I am. I jammed this back tire up against the end there, and could not get this bitch undone because it was in gear. It's not now, but it is. So, sorry for the heavy breathing. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna check the oil here and see what we got. Earl. Well, it's got oil. That's good. Gas situation, because I got none at the house currently. Alright. Tank looks like it's kind of grody inside. Definitely grody, but I think I got about a half a tank. Alright. Wiring questionable. Keys in it. Neutral. I'm assuming this was, I don't know what the hell that is. Throttle down, throttle up. Alright. All we can do is see. Alright, 3, 2, 1, contact. Oh. Alright. Let's see here. Do we have a safety switch? Oh. Kind of looks like it. Hey, that kind of looks like a safety switch. Let's see. I need 2 hands for this. Hang on. I think the problem might be a dead battery. Let's go get the old handy Temu jump box at the Captain Cave van. This is very convenient because I just charged it the other day. That's on a full. Come here, buddy. Let's make sure. Yeah. Oh yeah. That battery is low. She draining. Let's see what we could do. Maybe it was just low battery and I don't got to deal with that switch. Let's see. Well. Okay, so well, the battery's over there, but it wouldn't turn over. Then the battery died. And then I charged it. And then it still wouldn't turn over. And then something started smoking. And I thought, all right, let me go grab a big dog. And I grabbed him and hooked it up. And the relay and everything still clicks. Nothing happens. And then it really started smoking. And I'm not quite sure what that's about. So now I've got the battery out, got it tore apart. Now I'm looking at relays and stuff down here, and I wish I knew better, but I don't, so I'm going to have to do some looking up. But now I'm over here on the Craftsman, and I'm going through its battery to see how its battery is, and if I could possibly steal the battery out of this. This thing doesn't want to turn over, so I'm pretty sure this is dead. But this battery looks a lot newer than the one that came out of that one, so I'm going to try and charge this. But I want to look at the stuff underneath here because I found a fuse. Let me see if I can find it. Found a fuse in that one, and that does not look stock at all. What the hell's going on there? And then I think if I look closely at the fuse, she is diffused. She is exploded. So that could be my problem. That's a 20 amp. I'm going to throw a big fat 50 in there if I have one laying around the house. First, I'm going to pull this out and see what we can do with these batteries. And maybe there's a fuse in the relay underneath there, and I can use that instead of having to try and track one down to my house. Alright, so I'm going to do the lazy thing and try and use this battery and just side post it real quick and see if we can get any kind of noise out of this Craftsman at all, because I'm going to have to put a little bit of work into the electrical on that one because I don't like smoke. Where there's smoke, there's fire, and usually death. Okay, so there's a clutch safety. I've only got one hand, so hang tight. Come on, bitch ass.